My name is Richard LaBeouf, and I'm the Executive Director here at the St. Landry Parish Solid Waste Disposal District, and we're located in Washington, Louisiana. Here at the landfill, we take in approximately 350 to 400 tons of waste in and for the parish of St. Landry. We have the TANA E380. We purchased it from Humdinger out of Lubbock, Texas. Once we received the TANA, we saw that the other machines that we were using were much inferior. Before we received our TANA, over the course of the 35-year inception of the landfill, we've had different machines here and thought everything was, pretty much the norm, that that's how operations went until we received the TANA. After seeing it perform and hearing everything that they had good to say about it, we knew we had to have one as well, and we're not sorry that we did. With TANA customer service, when anything that we need, we pick up the phone and we call, and within 2 to 3 hours, we've got an email confirmation of when our phone call of when our technician is going to arrive. And it's been every time we've needed it, which has been seldom, but it delivers. The crew in customer service is second to none. I must say that owning the TANA has by far met and exceeded any expectation that we could have ever imagined. I think in closing and summarizing that if you are involved in the landfill industry, if you have anything to do with the purchasing of a machine to do a better job, to take and have longevity, better service, you're doing yourself a disservice and your company if you don't look into TANA and purchase a TANA.